Today I'm going to show you a shop that is making $40,000 a month, and this is a digital product, which means that most of that number is purely profits.
40K a month from a digital product store. This is crazy. When you go to the store, you feel like this is a physical product, but actually it is not. In the description, they clearly mention the product is a PDF file with crochet instruction. In English, not a physical product. Wow, we found a new niche, crochet. If you want to know about traffic, go to YouTube and search with crochet and you will see almost all the videos are literally getting millions of views. But my friend, this store is getting free built-in traffic. Yes, we are talking about Etsy. Let's go deep.
So let's take a look at this listing. How much are they making? Let's click on the Everbee tool here and you'll see that they made about $20,000 in revenue just on this listing alone.
So free traffic from Etsy and only from one listing, $20,000 a month. Now we want to know how we can do it for ourselves. You can use a software called Midjourney for AI images, but before that, first copy ideas from others.
By going to the Midjourney community page, where you'll see tons of images that other people have created. So I'll just search for crochet and you're gonna see that there are already tons of beautiful crochet designs here. Now, we don't want to go for something too complex.
Right, choose something like that. Come back to Midjourney, use your own prompt and create similar images. Now, all you need to do is to go to Etsy, make your own store and make millions, right? Wrong, Etsy is not that easy. Etsy sellers depends on search engine optimization for what we call free traffic. And here is what one of the top SEO company has to say about SEO.
Even as a manager at the world's most popular SEO company, not even I know if I've done my SEO correctly, because that's just not how SEO works.
So how does SEO work? The answer is it's just hard. And that's why we don't do these things. We don't do Etsy and we don't do SEO. We use AI to learn fast. Just like we analyzed this video and learned everything about the business model in just a few clicks and just a few seconds. We have our own video script, SWOT analysis, article, images for the article. Then based on that knowledge, we make short video. Then we upload those short videos on social media sites. Social media send us traffic to an automated sales funnel. This funnel sells high ticket products for us and we make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.